pace we're working at here is absolutely insane.
More and more people are looking into automation, but they're still not quite sure. How do I even do that? Where do I start? What's out there on the market? That's where we come in.
11 Dynamics is the future of automation.
Let's talk about Industry 4.0. That's always a big and exciting topic.
In the end, the operator only has one button left to press. That's the start button.
And if we look at what's possible today, we can control any robot, we can connect to any sensor, we can even run the latest generation of sensors.
Then it's copy and paste into our system and run it. It's that simple.
Now we're also entering milling applications. We've stepped into hydrojetting. The software has massive potential.
Which means we can offer the perfect solution, because we design the perfect match for each customer, working with any robot brand and sensor technology out there.
With EDAS, we help our customers get closer to a zero-waste factory than ever before. That saves a huge amount of time and cost.
Which means metrology experts no longer have to learn 5 different tools. They just learn one software for analyzing data, no matter which measurement device collected it.
By shifting metrology out of the lab and into production, BMW can monitor the process continuously and catch issues before they even happen. We want to make sure that new process steps, sensors, and technologies can easily be added by the users themselves.
That means, yes, exciting things are coming our way.
But we also want to keep growing. The software wants to grow and it's hungry, it wants more. I believe if you stay stuck in that corporate mindset thinking it's just us, no one else, and we don't work with partners, then I think you're already lost. We've built a strong collective and we stick together.
That's what drives the team's momentum.
There's going to be so much more possible. And really, we're just the tip of the iceberg that's heading our way.